Okay, so I've removed all of the units on my back wall here. And if I come over, you see I have now open space of 119 and 3/4 inches. I'm not going to add a unit yet. What we're going to look at first is obstructions. So we have obstructions down here on the bottom right with a little plus sign. And in here, we have multiple different 3D images that you can place in the room. We've got different categories for sorting through the obstructions. But if we look at our large list, we have quite a few decorative things, but then also true obstructions. So we have an access panel up top here, which we're going to use in a minute. But you can scroll through this list: kettle, laundry basket. We have light switches. Quite a few things in here. Safes, you have those in your closet. TVs if you want to do an entertainment stand. Washer and dryer if you're doing a laundry room. And then a number of different window options that you can use. Let's go back to our access panel though. We'll start here. The way that obstructions work is they're going to come pre-sized for you, but you can stretch these by just modifying any of the dimensions, and that will stretch the 3D image. And then the way that you place them on the wall is we're going to be placing this bottom left corner. So elevation, how high off the ground is it? Let's say our access panel is 25 inches off the ground. And then left offset is how far is this side of the image from the left wall. So let's say this is 50 inches off the left wall. For anything that you want to pull off the back wall, you would use back offset. So that would pull it however many inches off the back wall. And then rotation will rotate the image. But for now, we're just going to use these two. So I'll hit submit. And that's going to add our access panel in. If you want to modify that, it now is listed over here under obstructions. You can click the pencil to modify the dimensions and the placement, or you can delete. And one thing to note about these obstructions as I add units here, they're not going to interfere with your building. Maybe I want to copy this unit. So you can build over these, so they're more a visual reference point for you. Now if I just stretch this unit a bit, you'll see that I'm just going to cover that access panel. So regardless of how big an obstruction it is, you can still build through it. So just use that as visual reference. Okay, and that's obstructions.